Coming to our next and last speaker, he has also an inspiring journey. He also failed, in class 10th, and then he has a very struggle time in Kashmir due to curfews, and then, but he built his life. He started as a scooter mechanic and then built a big car company. So over to you, Mr. Abdul Hamid Bhai.
Assalamualaikum. So, my English is not good, huh?
No, that's
So
fine.
please bear with me. I will try my best to read my paper about my life. So please, understand my emotions, Entrepreneurship and social work in tough working environment. The former President of India and legendary scientist APJ Kalam said, "Never let the problem become your captain. You become the captain of the problem, defeat it and succeed." So I would like to thank all the organizers from the seeding stamp, especially Dr. Shah Kamranul Rahman and Dr. Shabirul Hassan, scholars from Cambridge University and Harvard University, for this invitation. I will talk briefly on my background, or on the background of my homeland and current working area, and brief account of my little service to my society.
Excellent.
From the last 30 years in Kashmir, there has been a political uncertainty. It is common people who have been burnt at various levels. Economic uncertainty due to intermittent shutdown, loss of human lives highlights the area as a tough market to work alone. The situation also often has dire penalties for the economic and human development, as well as the environment importing everyone, including government public service. More importantly, most vulnerable sections are daily wage workers, women, and above all the children. I am deeply associated with the situation as I am among one of them. I started from a scooter mechanic and grew up at very humble position. Further, I having a trouble with my school by failing in my 10th class examination. Started my career as a scooter mechanic, earning a less than a few $. With lot of hard work, enterprising, and peace initiatives over the proud, I managed to improve my situation. Now as a CEO of company Rahim, Group of companies with over 200 employees, I find myself in a position to change lives of those who have less opportunities. I never believe that I am a CEO of a company while I believe in humbleness as responsible entrepreneur. We may have heard about the CSR, corporate social responsibility. It's a popular buzzword. However, CSR is only for a big corporate houses. My vision is different. So my vision is different about CSR. I believe and propagate CMSR. Listen, please.
Yes.
It is a common man's social responsibility, which means whatever you earn, whatever you learn, should be returned back to society. Work for change in my community in terms of education, healthcare, environment, entrepreneurship, and sports activities is that I thought was to be done at its best. My vision is to help myself and to work for my people. My idea of CMSR, common man social responsibility, which I focus every time and every occasion. CMS or common man social responsibility is a deeply implicated in individual and social conceptions of the human love and positive contribution. Where I go to go, where do I go from here? What contribution can I strong idea and action plan make to this state of affairs? We need to understand the principles of this type of situation. This can give a practical model of the social entrepreneurship. The visionary ideas of volunteerism hold the real key of transform such thought situations, such tough situations. It is the world today. With all those opening team efforts, I want to tell my success story of Rahim Greens. I am humbled to receive invitation for motivational talks in many universities in my own state and even national and international colleges and universities. For instance, I also got a fellowship from United World College. It's proud for me, USA, for the leadership training program. Fortunately, Wharton Business School, USA, published an article in their journal about my journey of my business from a school dropout to a CEO. Every businessman, as you know, every businessman promotes his business. Every businessman promotes his business by some promotional activities like giving their diary calendars and other promotional materials. And I have done same. मैं भी वही कर रहा था जो लोग कर रहे थे. One day I thought, why not I change those gifts by distributing saplings to plants to my customer and society in order to launch a plantation drive. So मैंने change किया. I can speak in some Urdu.
Yeah, sure.
Yes. So मैंने एक concept दिया था कि पहले मैंने डायरी कैलेंडर्स जो मैंने किया था जो सब लोग करते थे, लेकिन मैंने एक दिन सोचा मैं इसको क्यों नहीं सोसाइटी के लिए यूज करूं, क्योंकि लोग जो डायरी कैलेंडर मेरे से लेते हैं, जो गिफ्ट्स लेते हैं, वो अपने घर में बच्चों को देते हैं, तो उसका कोई यूज नहीं हो रहा था, वो यूजलेस हो रहा था. तो इसको हम सोसाइटी में कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे, सोसाइटी को सपोर्ट करेंगे. तो the people of all background, religion and caste liked the idea and extended their support. Till now, our team has planted approximately 200,000 trees in barren and deforested land, which had been affected from 30 years. You know, as you know, because of militancy and this everything, so we have lost the environment, lot of environment. We have a lot of deforested area in Kashmir. Out of this vision, a trust style Rahim Greens was born, wherein I diverted my some 25% of my profit to green initiatives and other responsibilities. As you know, as a Muslim, we have to pay zakat of almost is a 2%. But I believe we cannot stop on the 2%. We can go every extent.
Yes.
So yes, we can give our family to comfort life, not a luxury life. So not beggars, but comfort level. So we can donate a lot of this. We can work for society. This trust never believe in fundraising. So my trust is, I don't believe in trust fundraising. So I believe in whatever I earn, whatever I learn, to give back to my society. So this is a common man social responsibility, which I want to change the CSR. It's a capitalist word. Basically, it's a capitalist word. So I want to change this. Was already working on the goal of United Nations Sustainability SDG, Sustainability Development Goal. I was working on this same under my own vision. CMSR, corporate social responsibility. What was the UN working? I was working myself in my own. Recently, my CMSR initiative was expanded by including the healthcare in form of free ambulances. I give a free ambulance service.
Yeah, that's
When
great.
my mother died, I give not only this masjids and others. I give my society a free ambulance service. So I want to give this common man social responsibility concept. Ambulance oxygen concentrators working for drug addicted people to provide them with free de-addicted kits. More importantly, I am promoter and supporter for the free dialysis center to help poor patients. In association with my local NGO, there is one local NGO named Athrut, means helping hand. Athrut is a Kashmiri word. In Srinagar, Kashmir. Rahim Greens is also working in the field of education, educational sponsorship programs to the students at national as well as the international level. In continuation, we have organized a faculty and students exchange program. Myself do this with Malaysian University because I'm a guest speaker in 5 Malaysian universities. So program with Malaysian universities, with University of Malaysia and Malaya for exchange of innovation and ideas. Rahim Greens also have sponsored football club. I have my own football club and cricket club, which includes para sports persons. One is there is a para cricketer. His name is Amir Khan. He's a armless player. I am sponsoring him. So he's an Indian para cricket captain right now. We have also Automobile Skill Development Center in association with Technical Education University of Kashmir. During this pandemic, COVID-19, in emergency, my factory responded by conducting a skill development and innovation program for fight the virus in collaboration with National Institute of Technology, NIT, of Srinagar, government institutions and local universities. All there was associated with me. Subsequently, the students developed a low-cost medical ventilator prototype. You can Google. I don't know what is the word. This Furgul.
Yeah.
Yes, I don't know, but it is low cost. I can say it's a low cost this
Solution.
from user the washing machine. So they take the washing machine some parts and make this this low cost ventilator. Rahim Greens purchased a highly advanced 3D printer and CNC machines to train bright students from the region on developing the innovative prototype products.
Excellent.
I must congratulate other speakers for their commendable service to the society, and I learned lot from their talks. I end my talk with a famous verse from the Allama Iqbal. नहीं है नाउमीद इकबाल अपनी कश्त वीरां से, जरा नम हो तो ये मिट्टी बहुत सरखेज़ साकी.